haven't told myself the truth since the first night you were gone. I'd like to think I was living easy, that love was mostly living all alone. Maybe it's the wind blowing us together. Maybe it's the world blowing me away. Maybe the tall trees bow down before us, bleeding for a lonely heart to stay. The odds are stacked against us. Truth be told, they often always are. Unless you really care about me, don't go up the stairs without the boy that let you drive in your mama's beat-up car. Forget the one that lives too far. Some folks make something out of nothing. Some people have to cry too long, while others wait beside the window, wondering why the wind would blow so strong. Now I'll admit I'm feeling cold and naked, just like I'm standing in the rain, with nothing left out here to hide behind. And I wonder if you feel the same. Truth be told, the odds are stacked against us. Truth be told, they often always are. Unless you really care about me, don't go up the stairs without the boy that let you drive him in your mama's beat-up car. Don't forget the one that lives too far.